Hi, my name is Chee, and my calling in life is to simplify healthy living. You must have heard the phrase, 70 to 80% of our immune system is in the gut. Let's talk a little bit about our gut health today. Our GI tract has abundant immune cells, namely the T cells and antigens that constantly excrete antibodies into the gut, fighting infections. Digestion of nutrients via the lining of the intestinal wall into the bloodstream and excretion of toxins also happens in the gut. We destroy the good bacteria in the gut with cooked food, chemical-laden food, medication, and stress. This can also damage the intestinal lining, and when it becomes severe, may lead to leaky gut syndrome and autoimmune diseases. Today, I'll share how to make a super versatile, easy, delicious, and gut-friendly dish, the Papaya Boat, with only 4 ingredients. Come on, let's get started. The 4 ingredients are papaya, yogurt, Thai lime, and raw honey. Papaya is packed with vitamin C, digestive enzymes papain, and has anti-inflammation properties. Yogurt contains friendly bacteria and vitamin D to stimulate the immune system. Lime is rich in citrus vitamin C to fight infections. It's a powerful antioxidant. Enzymes in raw honey releases infection-fighting properties and prevents growth of bacteria. Peppermint is optional. It makes the dish pretty and has antiviral properties. Cut the papaya into half and scoop out the seeds. Cut the Thai lime into wedges. Fill the empty space with yogurt. Drizzle some raw honey onto it. Squeeze some lime juice over it. It will taste refreshing. Decorate with another wedge of lime and the optional peppermint leaf. Enjoy this healthy treat! Don't throw away the papaya skin. Use it as a natural enzyme and retin A skin mask by simply massaging onto your hands or face. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off to reveal brighter and softer skin. The Papaya Boat is a very versatile dish. I eat this when I'm on detox as a main meal, for breakfast, as a snack, or as a dessert. When I can't find small papayas, I'll cut the big ones up into cubes and serve them in bowls. Thank you so much for viewing. I will be super encouraged to know that you made this dish for your loved ones. My wish is that our inner garden will be flourishing with abundant, beautiful intestinal flora. God bless you.